Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool, seamless pattern. Let's take an ellipse and let's make it 12 inches. And let's hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now let's take our nudge factor and set it to 9. Control D and make a duplicate and move it over. Control D and move it up. Control D and move it over. I'm just using the arrow keys on my keyboard. Now I'm going to take this and fill it in. Now, for some reason, I like working with it the other angle, so I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. We can take these circles and get rid of them, but keeping this circle and now hitting P. Let's take all the lines and make them something other than a hairline. Let's go to, this is a must, go to Object and convert the outlines to an object. And we're going to left click, right click, and we're going to weld. Now we need to nudge this over, and I want this outside edge to this inside edge. You can do various things. I'm going to use just the parallel dimension tool and kind of get in the node there. And we're at 12.5 inch. Well, I made a mistake. There were 12.5 because we made the thing so thick. But I only want to go to there. So I'm only 12 inches. So let's make our nudge factor 12. And we're going to control D and move that over. Look at that. It matches up perfectly. Let's do one more. And because it's symmetrical, we can go down now. Many as you want. And then weld it. And that'll put all those parts where there's no lines. And you don't have to fill it in. You can just go over here and left click, right click, no outline. So it'll be that color of yellow and no outline. Let's take a black box effect, turn it black, go up to object order, back a page, and there you have it. You know, you've got several things going on. I mean, that look like, you know, inners and little parts and circles and on and on. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.